Welcome to the Explorer's Vault. Traveling with your loved ones can be an adventure. Dealing with layovers, though, especially when children are involved, can pose some challenges. In today's video, we'll share some tips to help you navigate layovers as a family smoothly and enjoyably. Stay tuned until the end for a special FAQ section where we'll answer common questions about family travel. Let's get started. Chapter 1. Preparing for the layover. The key to ensuring a stress-free layover lies in being well prepared. Take the time to research the airports you'll be traveling through. Many airports offer family facilities like play areas, family restrooms, and quiet zones. This proactive approach not only improves your journey, but also infuses a sense of control and security for the adventure ahead. Chapter 2. Packing smart. Be sure to pack a bag for the layover. Include essentials such as snacks, water bottles, spare clothes for everyone, and basic toiletries. Use packing cubes or Ziploc bags to organize these items for easy access. Remember to bring along devices, chargers, and headphones for entertainment purposes. Having items like coloring books, puzzles, or small toys on hand can also help keep the kids occupied. Next up, let's talk about utilizing family-friendly services. Chapter 3. Utilizing family-friendly services. Check if there are designated family lanes at security checkpoints in the airport for less stressful processing. Some airports also provide strollers or child-friendly transportation options within their terminals. This makes navigating the airport with young children much easier. Chapter 4. Staying healthy and hydrated. Traveling can dehydrate you, so it's important to remind everyone to drink plenty of water. Pack snacks like fruits, nuts, and granola bars to keep everyone's energy levels up. Try to steer clear of sugar, as it can lead to sudden energy highs and crashes. So, remember to pack snacks and stay hydrated for a more comfortable journey. Chapter 5. Using airport amenities. Once you're at the airport, take a moment to relax and make use of the amenities. Many airports provide Wi-Fi, which can be a lifesaver for keeping kids entertained with movies or games. Look out for play areas where children can burn off energy. Some airports even offer family lounges or quiet spaces that provide a respite for the entire family. Additionally, explore art displays, small parks, or unique features the airport might have. Moving on to managing rest and sleep during layovers. Chapter 6. Managing rest and sleep. If you find yourself facing a long layover or needing to stay overnight, remember that rest is crucial. Think about reserving a day room at a hotel near the airport or using the airport's sleeping pods. Even a short nap can do wonders, rejuvenating you and your family for the journey. Don't forget to bring along travel pillows and blankets for added comfort while resting in the terminal. Chapter 7. Keeping everyone entertained. Keep your family engaged by exploring what the airport has to offer. Many airports feature art displays, museums, or even small parks. Consider organizing a scavenger hunt playing airport bingo with the kids to keep them entertained and active. Chapter 8. Making the most of downtime. Turn moments of waiting into family bonding time. Share stories, play card games, or watch a movie together. If the layover is long, consider exploring the airport or playing a game to keep the kids entertained. Use this opportunity to connect and create lasting memories, transforming what could be a difficult situation into a smoother one. Experiences like these not only pass the time but strengthen the family bond. Remember, it's normal for children to get restless during long waits, so be patient and understanding. Encourage them to use their energy in a positive way, such as by exploring the airport or playing a game. If they start to get too restless, consider taking a walk or finding a quiet spot to relax. This can help manage their behavior and make the layover more enjoyable for everyone. Chapter 9. Exploring dining options. Most airports offer a range of dining choices. Look for restaurants with menus for children. If you have a long layover, consider having a sit-down meal, as it's an excellent way to unwind and recharge before your next flight. Chapter 10. Handling delays and cancellations. At times, layovers may stretch due to delays or flight cancellations. Stay composed and make the most of your time. Explain the situation in terms that your children can grasp. Use the time effectively by exploring more of the airport or engaging in quiet activities like reading or drawing. This can help make you and your family feel active and engaged, knowing that you're making the best of the situation. In case of unexpected situations like flight delays or cancellations, stay calm and follow the instructions of the airline staff. Use the time to explore the airport or engage in quiet activities to keep the kids entertained and the family engaged. Remember, it's important to stay positive and flexible in these situations. Keep your children informed about what's happening and reassure them that everything will be okay. Chapter 11. Planning for layovers with infants and toddlers. Traveling with infants or toddlers requires special planning. Look for family restrooms that have changing facilities. Bring along diapers, wipes, and baby food. Many airports provide designated nursing areas for breastfeeding mothers. Chapter 12. Staying safe and secure. It's important to educate your children on what steps they should take if they are separated from you. Make sure to share your contact details and establish a meeting spot in case someone gets separated. Always keep an eye on your belongings and verify everyone's passports and boarding passes are safe. Chapter 13. Taking care of yourself. Remember to prioritize your well-being. Take turns with another adult to supervise the kids while you take a break. Even just walking around the terminal can help rejuvenate you. Chapter 14. Making connections with other families. If you spot other families traveling, feel free to start a conversation with them. Sharing tips and experiences can be beneficial and make the time pass quickly. Your children might also enjoy making friends along the way. Remember, you're part of a supportive community of fellow travelers, and engaging with them can make your journey more enjoyable. Why are there not more people talking about navigating layovers with kids? We've covered a lot of great tips so far, but we know you might have more specific questions. That's why we've put together a special FAQ section to address some of the most common concerns families have about navigating layovers. Let's dive into those questions now. Are there specific airports that are more family-friendly? Yes, some airports are known for their family-friendly amenities. Airports like Changi in Singapore, Incheon in Seoul, and Munich in Germany often rank high for family services. What are some tips for managing long international layovers? For long international layovers, try to plan activities ahead of time. Look for airport tours, local excursions, or nearby attractions. Some airports even offer free city tours for long layovers. What are some of the primary safety concerns families should be aware of during air travel? Key safety concerns include keeping a close eye on your children at all times, ensuring everyone knows what to do if they get separated, being aware of your surroundings, and safeguarding important documents and valuables. It's also important to follow all airport security guidelines and stay updated on travel advisories. What are some popular and well-regarded apps or phone features that can help me navigate layovers? Apps like TripIt, GateGuru, and LoungeBuddy are great for managing layovers. TripIt helps organize your travel itinerary, GateGuru provides detailed airport information, and LoungeBuddy helps you find and access airport lounges. How can I find out which airlines are the best reviewed for families and layovers? Websites like Skytrax and TripAdvisor offer airline reviews and ratings, including categories for family-friendly services. You can also check forums and social media groups for personal experiences and recommendations from other travelers. There you have it. Armed with these suggestions, you'll be skillfully navigating layovers with your loved ones. Remember to show some love by liking, subscribing, and hitting the bell icon for travel advice. From all of us at the Explorers Vault, happy travels and be seeing you.